Hello, kumusta? Today I'm making easy tuna pasta. Now I put some oil, butter, and my chopped garlic. Just mixing that in. And I use cherry tomatoes. Regular tomatoes is fine as well. And I have this ahi tuna. Just smash it in and put in your choice of pasta. But for this video, I use egg noodles. Now, you can choose whatever cheese you like. So I grated some Parmigiano Reggiano. Sounds fancy. And I don't have any garnish with me, so I just use basil. And now it's time to plate. It's so easy, it's so quick, and really delicious. So I hope you try this recipe if you like. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. God bless.